Hey guys, welcome back another video. So guys, we have received one more render of the upcoming smartphone, that is Samsung Galaxy S21, and this render is about the camera. The camera of this S21 is amazing. If we look the pics, if we look the leaks of this phone, it's look gorgeous. I mean, Samsung is trying something new, something incredible, something different. Unlike the Apple, focusing on the profit, unlike the design of the phone, the camera design. But Samsung is some kind of difference. They are focusing on the design and they are focusing on the camera design. I mean, this phone look likely something different. We haven't seen anything like this before from the past few years. Just come from Casemaker Pictao, working in a collaboration with the X-Link 7. To be honest, the front of the phone doesn't look much as different from the Samsung S20 range. But if you look the back side of the phone, this look different from the which Samsung have. Is a cutout camera on the centric. So let's talk about some upcoming features on this phone. This phone is going to be the one of the most powerful phone in the future because this phone comes with a Snapdragon 888 processor, Samsung S21, and the one more thing, this phone should be powerhouse of an Android phone with a 5000 mAh battery and a 6.8-inch WQHD display and a 4-lens camera composed. Earlier we heard that this phone comes with a Pentagon camera, but that was the wrong information, wrong rumor, and now we are receiving one more rumor that this phone comes with a 4-lens camera composed of 12 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 108 megapixel main camera and two 10 megapixel telephoto lens with a 3x zoom and a 10x zoom. Let's talk about when this is going to be happen, when this phone is going to be launched. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S21 range on January 14. That means next month, ahead of January 29 release. That means we don't have to very long to wait to see this phone for real, which is great news if you are similarly excited about the camera design. I mean, this is something new about any phone. So Samsung is trying something new for their customer, for their audience. And I think this is good because if you follow the Apple just focusing on the profit. They didn't worry about the design. They just copy the design from the iPhone 10 and their iPhone 11. They are just giving you same design like the previous version in iPhone X and the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12. All these three phones have a same design, but yeah, different processor, I know. But yeah, if you look around the design is almost same. So that's not good thing. If you are paying a $1,000 for any phone, we need something new. We need something extraordinary, something better from the previous version, just like the Samsung S21. I think Samsung is doing a great job. What do you guys think about this phone? What do you think about the camera new design?
Anyway, up until now we've seen the CAD renders of the S21.